So welcome, welcome, welcome. The idea of today was about setting up your 2024 for raging and incredible success. So I'm the CEO and founder of Alara Support Services. I work with a number of NDIS businesses, help them achieve their overall business success.
There's a little bit of work this morning before we can relax, but I promise it will end beautifully and you'll walk away feeling like $1 million today.
I work within a space of clinicians, and I feel although this would be a vital resource for people working within the NDIS space, to know exactly, how to, again, scale a business, understand the client and that stakeholder engagement.
What I want to do is I want to showcase that being real and vulnerable is not something that needs to be scary. You can tell your story how you want to tell it, and it can be empowering.
It tells your customer what they can expect from your service. It builds loyalty and trust. It inspires people, particularly your team. You have to keep learning, you have to keep evolving, you have to keep pivoting to be successful in any business, particularly in a rapidly evolving sector such as ours.
What's the non-negotiable? Absolutely, this part of my vision needs to happen over the next 12 months.
Workshops like this allow you to take that pause in a structured way and go, what are my goals and how am I going to achieve them? And when you're in the hustle and bustle of just running a company, that's really hard to do.
You are actually in a room with like-minded people. Even though I'm interstate, I've still got some great connections that I can take back home.
We're all here because we love our participants and we want to support them, and that's awesome.
Your success is my success.